Okay, let's look how we can do some color spill and why do we want to do this. So example right here, we have a model, and if we look closer, we notice it's having some glowing on the back with lighting. So in some cases, if you have it kind of lights going over too strong, you will have it more light spill. In some cases, when we work with the green screen, light spill, it's maybe our enemy because it's casting colors, but it's also same time you notice because it's casting colors, it's help us to embed this object inside our scenery. So for example, if we have something very strong behind this person, for example, let's go create lights for now. Okay, and we're going to create something, kind of like almost some source, filter, blur. Let's go blur for this one. Okay, we'll go select to the soft light. Okay, so example right here, we have something very light source going from behind this person, and I want to create kind of outline this on an end. So we'll go to do this by adding this light spill on that. So let's go select, and we'll go press Control and click on our model so we can outline on a model. We'll go create new layer. Let's go move this up. Okay, and we'll go light spill. Okay, and next we'll go to fill this color. Okay, and we can fill with a white color, or actually what I recommend for you to do, it is select tool, select your color, foreground color, select the color you want to spill so we can match the best the color we can have it. So I think this one will work. Maybe just bring same tone but just a little bit brighter. Okay, and we'll go to fill up with this color. You can press Alt Options backspace to fill up with the foreground color. Okay, next we're going to select modify, and we're going to contract. Okay, and we'll go to contract by about 3 pixels. Let's click OK, and we can click just delete to remove. So all what we have this point, you can see we have this outline going around our subject. So next what we want to do, it is expand or blur this line. So we'll go filter, blur, and we'll go use it cut and blur. We don't need to use it too much, maybe just about 3 pixels, 4 pixels around. So right here you can see it's kind of softer. Okay, let's click OK, and we'll switch this to the screen mode. Okay, next we want to clip, if it wasn't clipped before. So we'll clip to our object, and you'll notice at this point, if we come closer, okay, like on a head or whatever, you can see we have this light spill. Of course, with this light spill, it's applying to our object, even in an area we don't want it. So like, for example, feet and everything. So let's go ahead and create mask. Okay, we'll have it mask set to the black. Let's go 100%. And we can actually mask out in an area we don't want it. You can always make softer mask and mask slightly more in some other areas where you don't want it. Okay, and I'll leave it in maybe in an area we want it. So we go mask some over here. Okay, and you can see before and after, the object is kind of more blended in with this light spill. So here's one example of the using light spill. Let's look on another example how we can use it light spill. So for example, we have our model, we have some robot behind and this light flare. But I want to make this light flare spill in over the hands because it's very bright, so it should be kind of creating this effect. So what I'm going to do is take this flare, duplicate it, move it up front. Okay, let's go rename it. Okay, front flare. But now it's hiding too much of the fingers right here. So what I want to do, it is kind of hiding just to create. So we'll go create a new mask for our flare. We'll go click on our model to select. And next I'm going to select, modify, and I'm going to contract. And we can contract it by maybe even 9 pixels. So it depends on your resolutions or how far you want to go. So we'll go contract this way. Click OK. And now we're going to fill inside with a black mask. So you can see we already have it, this kind of outline going right here. So next on this mask, I want to go actually filter, blur, and use Gaussian blur on this. So you can see how it's already have a nice blurring going applied to this. So you can have it smaller if you need it to this. You can apply it to the mask or a little bit more. In this case, I think around 50-40 around this area will work very well. So we'll go click OK. And right here you can see very nice. We have a color casting. So now the hand look more like it's belong there, but we still don't lose any of those details that we have before. Of course, you can try play between screen and soft light to apply it to this one. But again, it's if it will work, but I think the screen worked just perfect for this. Okay, so you can see right here we applied. Of course, you notice as well, it does apply a little bit more around this area. So let's go to press Alt and clip this to our model. So we know this light spill only now affecting in area with our model. So you can see right here. Okay, so this is just another way to using the light spill to blend a little bit better our model inside our compositing.